Let's explore this official GMAT problem. To get the most benefit from this video, pause the recording now and solve the problem for yourself. The correct answer is B. This is a rate problem, and I could solve it by setting up an equation. But I want to show you a method that I think is faster and easier. It's a wordy problem, so I'm going to begin by organizing the information on my paper. We're told that 4 machines can produce X units in 6 days. And we want to find out how many machines it will take to produce 3X units in 4 days. Well, 3X units is triple the output. So what would happen if I triple the number of machines? 12 machines could produce 3X units in 6 days. But that's too slow. I need to produce 3X units in 4 days. To do that, I'm going to need more machines. And therefore answers D and E are incorrect. Notice that I've already made progress in solving this problem. I took advantage of an interesting fact about rates. Rates are similar to another part of mathematics. The clue's in the name, it's ratios. A rate is really just a ratio, so that like a ratio, I can double or triple it, etc. Next, let me take a hint from answer choice A. What would happen if I used 24 machines? Well, I'm already producing 3X units, that's the right amount. But 24 machines, that's double 12 machines, would produce 3X units twice as fast. They would produce 3X units in 3 days. That's too fast. And I can see that answer choice A is also incorrect. In order to move from 3 days to 4 days, I'm going to use a stepping stone. I'm going to consider how many machines it would take to produce 3X units in 1 day. Well, to get from 3 days to 1 day, that's going 3 times as fast, so I'm going to need 3 times the number of machines. 24 times 3 is 72. Now, of course, that's far too many, but it's going to help me get to 4 days. Because to go from 1 day to 4 days, I want to go 1/4 the speed. And if I want to go 1/4 the speed, then I'm going to need 1/4 the number of machines. 72 divided by 4 is 18. That's the right answer. I call this way of solving rate problems rates equals ratios, and it has some advantages. It avoids complicated equations, which so many GMAT students mess up under pressure. It keeps my solution logical and simple, so I'm less likely to get lost. It's probably faster as I'm doing less work. But perhaps the biggest advantage is that it prepares me for strategic guessing by eliminating answers, which is a vital skill on the GMAT exam. Check out the link below for a follow-up task.